Hi there, in this short video tutorial, we will be showing you how to set a silent alarm on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This is useful if you are in a meeting or in a noisy environment, where you will need to be notified using the vibration feature of your watch. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Setting a silent alarm on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is quite easy. What you will want to do is to mute the sound notification of the alarm, then make sure that the vibration setting is turned on. To do this, just tap the alarm app on your watch. Choose Add on Watch and enter the times. Tap Next. And select the days to repeat the alarm, then tap Done. Tap Alarm Sounds. Turn off the sound switch. Press the back buttons. Tap Vibration and make sure it is not set to mute. Press the back buttons. Tap Save when done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get more tutorial videos from us.